Okay, the purpose of this video is a proof of what I have posted last August 27. Sabi ko dito, like, I'll be hitting uh, 10 pips, which is, that's around 3 trades per day, 10 pips, and $3 per trade. So that's around $78 per day. So after a week, that will be $390. So I posted that one, which is marami ding gustong makita, no? Unfortunately, no, after that, that's August 27, Founders Day kasi ito ng Siliman. Fortunately, a week after, nakita nyo, yan, lilinawin ko lang, hindi ko na-hit but baliktaran ang nakita nyo, no? Although I started good, di ba? Makikita nyo, that's 6 pips, 2 pips, no? Ang ganda, ganda. Ang ganda ng trade ko. But I end up bad, no? Nakikita nyo, ayun na. Dito na ako nag-lose. So, what is the reason? Paano nangyari yon? I thought I know na. I thought alam ko mag-trade. But natalo pa rin. No, actually po ganito. Trading po hindi lang po enough yung alam mo. No? Hindi lang po enough na ito ang sistema, ito ang strategy ay okay na. That's not trading. No? So, hindi po ito kagaya ng pag A, ang problema, ang solution is B. Hindi po ganon. So, the trading is more on skill. And it will really need time for you to develop that. And it will be based sa personality nyo. So, kung makikita nyo dito, nakikita nyo, bakit? Ano nangyari? So, kasi during this time, na-pressure na ako. No? Yes, palagi kasi dito yung isang investor ko na ang cute-cute niya. So, palagi nakaabang, hindi ko alam bakit. So, the more naman na pipilitin kong kumita, the more naman hindi nangyayari. Bakit? The emotions are really affected. And once affected yung emotions mo, hindi rin maganda ang trade mo. Aside from that, binisita ko ng kapatid ko, ayun, binisita ako ng colonel ko na kapatid. Kaya, ang saya. Sobrang saya na apektado yung pag-trade ko. Natalo. Pasensya na po. But anyway, I'm just being honest, no? Trading is not just what you know, but it's what you have built. You have given time. Yan po ang trading. So, fortunately, hindi ko na-hit. But, after that week, no, tinay ko rin yung strategy ko sa binary option, which is it works. No? Plus, ngayon, for this week, so, August 27 ko pinost, pero ngayon ko lang na-prove, nakuha ko po. Hindi ko pala na-post, I'll just show you my account. No? So, if you could see, ito po. So, nakikita nyo green, maraming green. So, if you could see the pips, medyo malaki-laki na. No? 20, 16, 10, 20, 20, 21, 2, 12. May talo din ako. Kung natalo to last August 8, bakit ako natalo? Kasi po alas 3 na ng umaga, antok na ako. Ayun. Kaya natulugan. So, and lastly, like last Friday, Saturday na kasi ngayon ng madaling araw, no, I just hit the 55 mark. And the current trade na nangyari ngayon, was it lucky? No. It was the outcome of my whole 9 months. No, the combinations of strategies that will work based on my personality. So dito, itong video din to is also for investors, no? But before I go for the investor, I'll go also to my wife muna na yung hinihingi mo na kikitain ko ng isang araw ay hindi ko pa kayang gawin. But yet, tinawaran ko ng kalahati at eto na. In these past 3 days, makikita mo, I managed to create 200 pips. That's 200 plus pips. No? Just 3 days. So, if only I have that bigger puhunan na atin talaga, na-hit ko na. Mrs. Mahal ko na nasa Hong Kong ngayon. Na-hit ko na yung 5,000 a day. Ang kulang lang talaga sa akin is puhunan, which is yun lang nga, nasasayangan ako sa oras ko. Kasi yung nakikita nyo dito is this is the account of one of my client. No? So, yan ang nakikita nyo dyan sa harapan. Sayang talaga. So, imagine what I could do. So, next year, which is we plan to go to Hong Kong, sama ako syempre, all I need is just 50,000 at I created a plan how to triple it. So, which is mahaba-haba pa naman yung time na yun. So, hopefully I could produce 50K with your help. No? Yes, pwede naman tayo magsimula ng maliit, which is nakita nyo po. Nakita nyo na maliit siya. But then again, kagaya nito, I started, hindi naman siya gaano kalaki, pero nakikita dito na talagang may pagkakaiba talaga if may puhunan. No? Now, in regards also to my family, kuya, manong, ate, kung ito ang gusto nyong marinig, tulong. Yan, sinabi ko na ha, baka sabihin yung hindi ako nagsasabi ng tulong. Tulong po. Bakit tulong? Kasi po, may skill ako na kayang gumawa ng pera. But wala akong puhunan. Yan po. Now, you might say na, you start small, which is I did. Ayan small na nga yan. Pero, di ba, what I am losing here? Time. And yun ang pinakamahal eh. I have a great system, I have a great skill, pero konti ang punan, which is, yun lang naman ang makaya ko, it's okay. But then again, if meron kayong maitulong, mag-usap tayo at mababayaran ko rin yan. No? I know, medyo hindi nyo po ako trusted regarding that. So, kuya, I encourage you to create an account. Ikaw bahala sa password. Just give me an access. Ako ang mag-trade. And pagdating sa withdrawal, mag-usap tayo. No? Para meron naman ako. No? Ano pa ba? Manong! Ay! Ako, hindi account yan, Manong, ha? Baka sabihin mo, account lang yan. Now, baka sabihin mo, ay, wala yan. Napupuntan lang yan sa kahit saan. Ako, hindi po. Gawa po kayo ng account at ako mag-trade. Kayo mag-control. Pati withdrawal. So, tulong po. Tulong. Now, saan pa ba? Sa investors. Again, dito. Sa investors, ito linawin ko lang. If you want to be an investor sa akin, you have to PM me. What I'm trying to say is, hindi ko kayo nire-recruit. No, this is not networking that I will make money from your money. No? This is trading. No? My point over here is ayaw ko yung concept na Pinoy about the network, na typical network na maganda sana pero naging pangit kasi pinapangit din ng ibang uplines at hindi rin maintindihan ng iba. So, this is not networking na I have to recruit you for me to earn. No, hindi po. If hindi kayo mag-join, walang problema. Diba? But if you think that this is profitable sa site nyo, so, hire me to trade. No? Hire me. So, meaning to say, you will apply for an investor. No? I show you my result, no? Nakaya ko nang na-hit po ito. Saan ba 'yan? Wow. Ay, ayun. So, nakaya na-hit ko na 'yan. So, by next week, mahihit ko ba ulit or matatalo ba ako ulit? I tell you, the things that I have learned, and I'm continually learning also, is giving me boost up, giving me confidence. So, and from day one until now, malayo-layo na rin siya. At dati-dati, I could only trade for 10 pips. Ngayon, nako-constant ko ng 20 pips. At nag-hit na ako ng 55. What I'm trying to say here is, I really give time for this. So that's why, if you choose me to be your trader, let's talk. No? I have a system for you na hindi naman kayo malulugi or hindi naman kayo mapuputin to alanganin. PM nyo lang po ako. No? Yun lang po. Sa current investor ko ngayon, no, although we have devastating losses last week, which is yung $73, no, as I have said, na I am responsible for your money inside. Ang ibig kong sabihin doon po is I mean business. No? Let me do my part as a trader. At akong bahala sa diskarte at maibibigay ko ang resulta. So, yung naging part, yung naging yung naging investor ko na naging partner ko, here is the result. No? Nung lumipat ka na, kumita na ako na medyo malaki-laki. You know? Hindi ko sinabing malas ka. Ang point ko lang po dito is I trade with my own strategy and in my own personality. No? So, eto naman ang kailangan natin makita is yung kumita constantly. And hindi ibig sabihin that you know the strategy, okay na yun. Trust me, it's not. No, it takes time. It takes really skill to develop. It takes devotions. It takes everything. No, seryoso talaga. Not petics lang. Or dahil kumita ng ganun yung iba, dapat ganito. No, hindi po. You have really to find yourself who you are and ano ang the best strategy for you. So, babalik ka sa basic. And emotions, nako, yan ang nakakatalo. No, dapat hindi tayo maapekto. Sa ngayon, I am really confident for the next week trade, and in fact, I am very, very much excited kasi na-hit ko na naman yung mark, and I'm going to reheat again. So again, if you investor kayo and you seen this video and you think that it's really profitable, PM me, inbox me, email me. No? Usap tayo, may system akong ginagawa na ang transparency natin is makikita nyo talaga. No? Makikita nyo ang per trade. So, ang withdrawal natin, makikita nyo rin. So, may system ako. Let's talk it over. Again, hindi ko kayo nire-recruit ha. Linawin ko lang, wala ako nire-recruit dito. It's you that hiring me because I have this skill. To my family, I already said, tulong. Yan, kung yan ang gusto nyong marinig. And to my beautiful wife, mas maganda sana kung atin. Although I know you supported me in every ways, and which is naglagay ka na rin doon sa stocks. But dito kasi ang pumutok So yung sa stocks, pag ibenta natin ngayon, medyo lugi tayo doon. Kailangan talagang palakihin pa. Dito mabilis po. Honey, napakabilis dito. So, again, if you could help me to find 50K, no, for a start para ang trip namin to Hong Kong with Samantha next year. Ipapakita ko how I could hit the mark na gusto namin na magkaroon na maging pocket money naman. So yun lang, maraming salamat. If you do have questions, hopefully makita niyo itong video na to. Please contact me lang po. Maraming salamat.